What's up everybody? Welcome to MLL California House Tour. Today we're going to be touring 3307 Via Lido, Newport Beach, California. We are located in the Newport Bay area and we're going to be touring this gorgeous 3-story townhouse. Beautiful modern architecture. It's a house that features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Also has 2,240 square feet of living space, and it's built in 2019. You can see here we are in the first bedroom, located in the first floor, and the setup could turn that into also an office with this window over the entrance. There's a little patio. Interior elevator with access on all 3 floors. This is the full bathroom in the first floor. And this is the access to the 2-car garage space. As we continue our tour, I want to remember to all of you guys to like our videos, to comment on the section below with feedbacks and questions, and to subscribe to our channel if you're not already subscribed. We're accessing the second floor where are located the master bedroom and another guest bedroom. We see that both of these bedrooms has plenty of natural light with these 2 massive giant floor-to-ceiling windows. Here we have the laundry room with extra storage space. Look how bright it is, this bedroom that features an ensuite bathroom that we're gonna access in a few seconds, and a built-in closet. Let's continue our tour. See this hardwood flooring, modern architecture and details all over this beautiful home built in 2019. We're in the middle of the Newport Bay. We're super close to the Lido Marina Village with plenty of boutiques for shopping. Beautiful restaurant. And here, as we access the master bedroom, beautiful staging with this giant floor-to-ceiling window, a view over the Newport Bay. you can check out this beautiful big master bathroom with a giant shower. Plenty of natural light even in this master bathroom. 2 vanity, his and hers. And also a big full walk-in closet with plenty of space and storage. We want to thank Annie Zhang, who is the leasing agent. They gave us the chance to tour this fantastic property. And now let's go up on the 3rd floor and check out this beautiful open space with a formal dining room, massive sliding glass window, floor to ceiling. A giant designer kitchen with big island in the middle and beautiful light fixture from the ceiling. And at the end, this formal living room and this terrace that opens up to the Newport Bay. Modern and beautiful. It's perfectly designed. We have this pantry room right here with plenty of storage and a half bathroom. Beautiful details. We're heading to check out the beautiful rooftop deck with a 360-degree view. Today the weather was not perfect. Clouds in the sky, but still a massive, beautiful space. There's lounges, couches, but also a built-in barbecue. Massive built-in sink. Fridge has plenty of storage space. That makes this 4th level a perfect space for parties and to gather with friends and family. And this is the entrance to the two-car garage space.